My name is Michael Smith. I'm the technical manager at Nelipak Healthcare Packaging based in Clare in the Republic of Ireland. We started looking into automated storage to allow us to track our dyes. We've over 1,000 dyes on site, which was a big part of the driver for the project. The other part of the project was to reduce the footprint of the storage of the dyes on site. We have a small site and we wanted to optimise the space. The automatic retrieval system ticks both boxes for us. Around the outside of the site we don't have a lot of space. We work with the architect to define a footprint outside, and we've built the space the Lean-Lift has been put into. We've actually extended the footprint of the production floor out by 4 or 5 metres to accommodate that. We know where things are, we know where things are taken out of, and we know where things are put back. Any downtime to production from losing a die or somebody's incorrectly put it in the wrong place, this has minimised that quite extensively. I've been impressed with the service from Industore, both on the construction side, the sales side and the support side. I can't say enough about Trevor. Very responsive, even day-to-day questions, less issues, questions. He's always either at the end of the phone or he'll get back to me within sort of a day of an email. So I've been really impressed. I would absolutely recommend Industore.